draw that if you want to just draw the idea of the total, just don't make a mistake. And we just give you the name. You just have to like from each Alto pentose, you will get two different Alto isotops, right? So just you can make like that. Let me just look for an you need to cross check that here. Keep going that way.
Done. First question. 17th one. No. Done with the question?
Yes, sir.
No.
Please take a screenshot.
Okay.
Done. Please do the 18th question.
So can you zoom in a bit?
Fine.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Right? Then they give you so
डन।
Yes, sir.
अरे हो गया तो बताते क्यों नहीं लोग?
So fifth one is left. So can you show that graph?
Then we have this heating effect of
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Sir, could you show the graph for the fifth one?
Done. Hello. Hello. Guys, have you completed?
No.
How many of you have done the 19th question?
So just the fourth and fifth part left. 2 minutes.
Sure, let's start. So let's discuss the question 17 first. So what's the 17th question? What did they have given and what they have asked you to find? So Madhu and Bunny are 10th standard students. Each of them have a certain number of apples. Madhu says to Bunny, if you give me your 10 apples, I will have the twice the number of apples left with you. Bunny replies that if you give me 10 of your apples, I will have the same number of apples as left with you. Denote the number of apples with the Madhu and Bunny as x and y and respectively follow the condition. So represent the condition set by Madhu algebraically. So what did Madhu say? What's the answer for the 17th first part? Jatra?
So could you repeat? I just came.
17th first part.
So I got C.
Can you explain how?
Sir, so like I took that Madhu's uh as X, so he gave like he uh got 10, so it will be X plus 10, and the other one Bani's he told that it will be like twice the same no twice like that only, like 2 times
So
bracket
basically, what
y.
did the mother says to Bunny? If you give me, see, if you give me 10 of your apples, I will have twice the number of apples left with you. So let's say Madhu has X and Bunny has Y. So मधु ने क्या किया था 10 apples add हो चुके हैं किधर से आया Bunny से less 10 so if you multiply twice you'll get the same right
Yes
no
sir.
so option B this is
Yes sir.
ना option C तो बोला starting में
So गलती से बोल दिया था.
हाँ second question represent the reply given by Bunny algebraically so what did Bunny said Bunny replies that if you give me 10 of your apples I will have the same number of apples as left with you that means what x minus 10 is equals to y plus 10. No? That's option C. So, everybody got it till here?
Yes, sir.
Next, third question. Number of apples that Bunny had. Rishikesh, can you tell me the answer? How you got B?
Sir, by solving the two equations.
By solving the two equations.
50.
So it will be x plus 10 is equals to 2y minus 20. So which will be x minus 2y is equals to 1 second. It will be minus 30 and x minus y is equals to 20. So we can say x is equals to y plus 20. You can substitute in this and you will get y is equals to 50. So option B is the answer for the third one. And what is the option 4? For the fourth question. How many apples that Madhu has?
70.
A.
70 apples. Combinedly, it will be 120. How many of you have got all correct?
So I got.
Now, after this, we have properties of
Arushi? Good. 18th question. Advantages of an aquarium. According to the medical science research, an aquarium in a house helps in treating stress, anxiety, and health problems associated with the blood pressure. It also provides a visual stimulation that boosts your focus and creativity. Consider P as your origin. Interesting. So, what's the option for the first one? What are the coordinates for A?
So 4,6.
4,6. How to do this one? Can you tell me?
So by counting the squares.
Good. तो आराम से कर सकते हो मतलब P as origin, so we can just count the number of squares or the distance that has been traveled. We can find it out. And what's the length of the side CD?
7 units.
Good. Third?
So option A.
Okay, good. Next, fourth.
So this one I wasn't very sure of, but I think D.
What?
I'm not very sure of this, but I think D.
D or B?
D, sir. 9.
Okay. Can you explain how? मतलब, What would, what's your approach to the question?
Sir, I didn't understand. I think I randomly did it. That's why I was confused.
Okay, fine. So what are the coordinates of the D? 4, 2, right? No? And what are the coordinates of X? X, 8, and it's given, let's say FD is equals to root 61 given. So that will be equals to under root X
Oh,
minus
okay,
4
sir. I
the
didn't
whole
see the
square.
coordinates of D.
8 minus 2 the whole square is equals to under root 61, which is x square plus 16 minus 8x plus 36 is equals to 61, which is x square minus 8x minus 9 equals to 0, which is x minus 9 into x plus 1 equals to 0. So x cannot be a negative one, so x is equals to plus 9. Okay, hello, understood? And what's the fifth option? Distance of G from the x-axis. Hello. Ayush Kapoor, can you tell me the answer?
So which question?
18th, fifth question.
Sir, it was option C I got.
Can you explain how you got?
Just a second. Can you just a second, sir, I'll tell. So should I send you the answer or
No, no, just explain me the process for how you have done.
okay.
And by the way, fifth one is option B. The distance of G from the x-axis is 4 units. Did
So
anybody?
yeah, I was just checking the I thought it is wrong. I thought it is B only, but then I thought, sir, can you once explain? I was also not able to get it. I thought it was C only, but once can you explain?
Okay, in the diagram, where is the origin? In the diagram, where is the origin given?
So can you
C,
show
right?
the diagram? I'll explain it that way.
Hmm.
Yes, sir. Origin is at F, right?
Origin is at F. Have you read the question?
Sorry, sir. Not F, sir. C, P, P. I was meant to say P only. F, F. It's P, sir.
Yeah. So if P is your
It's
origin,
4
what is?
units, right? Not 5.
तुम कहना क्या चाहते हो?
Sir, I'm saying the answer is 4 units, right?
हम्म,
Yes.
तुम तो 5 यूनिट्स बोला.
हाँ सर, वो मैंने मिसकाउंट कर दिया। हाँ, मेरे को लगा कि 4 ही है, बट वो मेरे को ये नहीं पता दैट वी हैड टू काउंट द फर्स्ट बॉक्स और नॉट।
So how many of you have done the 19th question? Hello? So find the height of the OE of the door. So how do we find it? Hello. कौन किया था ये question? How many of you have done the question? So can you explain?
Sure, sir. Sir, we were talking about question number
19.
the last question, yes. Sir, I found the height to be 2 root 2
Mm-hmm.
as OB was the radius, so we could apply Pythagoras theorem. So that way, 2
Mm-hmm.
root 2. And then the area was 3 root 2,
Mm-hmm. How? Can you explain?
half into 2 root 2 into 3.
Okay. So basically to find the height OE, so okay, just fine. Okay, I'll
Yes.
explain later. Dinesh goes to a marriage function of his friend Arun arranged in the banquet hall. He observed the entrance door of the banquet hall closely and sees that the door is semicircular and decorated by flowers as shown below. If the semicircle centered at O has a diameter 6 meters, the chord BC is parallel to AD. Chord BC is parallel to AD and BC is equals to one third of AD. Then answer the following questions. If BC is parallel to AD, can I say that it's a trapezium now? Hello?
Yes.
That's a trapezium. And now what we need to find? We need to find the height of the door. And it's given that the diameter is 6 meters, right? No?
Yes.
The diameter is 6 meters. So if the diameter is 6 meters, so how do we, so what relation we can get it from here?
OB is 3
OB is
3 meter.
hmm, OB is 3 meters. And
OC is also 3 meter.
then
Then by trigonometry.
trigonometry. Okay, how do you know the length of BC? कौन सा एंगल तुम यूज
2
करोगे?
times BE.
Uh-huh.
2
Two times.
times BE BC.
So this is E basically, the midpoint, the OE. No, I'm not
Yes.
finding. No. Uh, any other apart from Soviet has done? Yes, Raj? Nilesh, Jaitra, Adit? No, you haven't done. और कितने लोग नहीं किए यार? इतना डिफिकल्ट है क्या ये क्वेश्चन? If you clearly observe, AB is the chord, right? Hello? So, sorry. Didn't say that. Okay. What is AD length? No. What is the length of the AD?
Six.
So BC will be equals to 2. No? BC will becomes 2. BC is 2 as OE is the perpendicular bisector. BE will be 1. So you can make a right angle triangle.
Sir, how AD is 6.
Actually, the diagram it's given that okay.
So, but AD is not diameter.
The diameter maybe at the then there is no way to proceed this because budget like somewhere there will be a variable left. Consider AD is a diameter, then only you can solve this.
Okay.
So your BE becomes 1 and this becomes 3. And you need to find the OE here. So which will be under root 9 minus 1, which is root 8, that is 2 root 2. Option B. And find the area of the triangle AOB. How do we find the triangle AOB area? How do we find the triangle AOB?
Sir, half into 2 root 2 into 3.
Half into base into height. So what's the base?
Sir,
Hello?
for triangle ABO, right?
Yeah, AOB, the base
Yeah. Yeah, it's 3.
3. And what's the length of AB?
So why do we need to find that?
Okay, fine. It's not required. So what's the answer here? Huh? Base is what?
3,
Height?
2 root 2.
And how do we find the triangle ABOC?
Sir, we can go with half into 2 into 2 root 2. So the answer will come 2 root 2.
And find the area of the semicircle.
Sir, I'm getting 14.143.
Find the area of the covered by the flowers.
2.9. Whatever, the A option. 2.8.
8, 6. Okay.
Yeah, sir.
So basically here, the question should be more clear that if we know that AD is the diameter, then this question is much easier. Otherwise, the question is not solvable. Okay. Hello. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then. Let's wrap up today and continue for the next class.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.